Guys, bro, what the hell is this camera? I'm gonna turn it back on.
Moonflower! No way!
Nakuha mo?
Oh!
What the?
way.
Bro got a moonflower. He got a
No way.
moonflower. He got a fucking moonflower. Bro, I'm lagging. Go to a garden. Private. Mayroon mag-steal sa atin kung mayroong ano. Rich. I must skip this part. Okay. We're in. Join ka sa akin. Garden. Bro, what the hell is this be like? Does this be like 5? Beep, 5. Playing Roblox like this be like...
Diyan ka sa private server.
Bro, the lag. He from Tennessee, I got it. He be with this shit, he told me this. Okay guys, I fixed it. If you wanna eat, like bun. Do I look like Granny when I do this?
Nakuha ko yung ano. I did yung flower.
Ako na lang. Carrot drop, ikaw flex on it.
Bulok pala yun.
Carrot drop, agad. Yung flower okay lang. 18%. Sino nag-steal sa akin ng ano? Frozen shock ko. Kahapon nagkaano ako eh. Hindi ko yun sinel, promise. Wala na dito, hindi ko pa nga yun sinisel eh.
Ito yun no. Marami kang frozen no. Sabi mo 30 billion yun. Nasa akin na.
Ayun nga kumuha.
Sinungaling.
At least meron akong frozen bamboo.
Asan yung frozen shock mo?
Meron nga nag-steal.
Anong kailan yun? 700,000. Sinungaling ka. Sinungaling. Sinungaling ka pa rin.
How much is... I want to steal. Gun! Oh my god, gold. Gold ko bat. Kunin ko. 14 kgs eh.
Billion? Hindi 8 million ko.
Pakita. How much is this worth? Me please. Oh wait, no, I'm rich.
I'm richer than you.
What a song I need.
Meron na akong ano. Randy. Ito. Ganti kita ba?
I got 2 night eggs.
Ikaw yung akin.
Ano yun? Paano mo nakuha?
Awon. Pop.
Hatch that.
Ball.
Hedgehog.
Lesson.
Hedgehog po siyang galang hedgehog na yan. Sisell ko nga itong dalawa.
Hindi, subukan mo siya yan. Ano lang.
Hedgehog eh. Mayroon akong hedgehog.
Ano mo, stock yung bilis stock.
I want to send this.
Drop, and flat
Should be with the shade. Okay.
Baby, let me know if you want to select one. I said, I can do it.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan?
She will use this. She will use this.
Durian. Eggplant.
Ayoko, bulok yung eggplant. Yung kakao ko talaga. Gold na naman ako.
Ano to? Frozen apple nagiging purple. Ano yun?
Kakao. Kakao.
Uy, seed.
Please stop. Saan yung pepper?
Mayroon bamboo? Mayroon bamboo?
Wala. Bulok. Ano yung kakao? Where is my kakao?
Wala. Walang stock.
Ano yung kakao?
Guard. Sell. I want to sell my inventory.
Yes, sir, please. Wala na nakuha mo?
Look at my bananas.
Pag may golden dito, ipapaano
Sana
mo
mo shock to. Sana mo shock yung banana ko.
Ang laki ng kukun.
Ilang minutes na lang?
Kanina, ano yung 2 minutes eh.
54 minutes?
Kanina, 2 minutes. Oh, ito.
Gonna skip
Shock
this
ko yan,
part.
Gandhi. Paano niya nakuha yan?
Guys,
Tapos
she's
yung
having a...
Candy Blows, mythical ibang puto.
Yes.
Who have chicken jockey? Who have
Chicken jockey.
jockey?
Never mind. Bro, what's the next one?
I need...
Are you serious right now, bro? I want to get the next one. Elephant game.
Saan yung chicken
Bye.